Class 6, History Textbook. Chapter 1, What, Where, How, and When. Questions and Answers. First question, what is history and why is it important to study? History is the study of the past, including how people lived what they did and how societies changed over time. It is important to study history because it helps us understand the present, learn from past mistakes, and make informed decisions for the future. Second question, name 3 sources that historians use to learn about the past. Explain how each source provides information about history. Answer is 3 sources that historians use to learn about the past are written records, archaeological artifacts, and oral traditions. Written records, such as diaries and official documents, provide written accounts of historical events. Archaeological artifacts, such as pottery and tools, provide physical evidence of past societies. Oral traditions passed down through generations by word of mouth preserve stories and legends from the past. Third question, how do historians use timelines to organize historical events? Give an example. Answer is historians use timelines to organize historical events in chronological order. Timelines help us understand the sequence of events and how they relate to each other over time. For example, a timeline of ancient civilizations would show the rise and fall of civilizations like Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Greece in chronological order. Question 4. What is prehistory and how do archaeologists study this period of human history? Answer is prehistory refers to the period of human history before the invention of writing. Archaeologists study prehistory by examining artifacts such as stone tools, cave paintings, and burial sites. By analyzing these artifacts, archaeologists can learn about early human societies, their culture, and their way of life. Question 5. Explain the difference between primary and secondary sources of history. Provide examples of each answer. Its primary sources are first-hand accounts or original sources of information, such as letters, diaries, and eyewitness testimonies. Secondary sources are interpretations or analyses of primary sources, such as history textbooks or scholarly articles. An example of a primary source is a letter written by a historical figure, while a secondary source would be a biography written about that figure. Question 6. Why is it important for historians to critically evaluate the sources they use? Answer is, historians must critically evaluate the sources they use to ensure their reliability and accuracy. This involves considering factors such as the author's perspective, the source's bias, and the context in which it was created. By critically evaluating sources, historians can construct a more accurate and nuanced understanding of the past. Question number 7. Describe 2 tools or techniques used by early humans during the prehistoric period. Answer is 2 tools used by early humans. During the prehistoric period, our stone tools and firestone tools, such as hand axes and spearheads, were used for hunting, cutting, and other tasks. Fire provided warmth protection and a means of cooking food, which allowed early humans to survive and thrive in different environments. Question number 8. How do written records help historians understand the past? Give an example of a historical document. Answer is written records help historians understand the past by providing written accounts of historical events, people, and societies. For example, the Rosetta Stone discovered in Egypt contains inscriptions in 3 scripts and was instrumental in deciphering ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs. This allowed historians to unlock the mysteries of ancient Egyptian civilization. Question number 9. What are some challenges historians face when studying the past? Answer is: historians face several challenges when studying the past, including incomplete or biased sources, the interpretation of conflicting evidence, and the difficulty of understanding past cultures and societies from a modern perspective. Additionally, historical sources may be lost or destroyed over time, making it challenging to reconstruct certain periods of history. Question number 10. How does the study of history help us understand the present and prepare for the future? Answer is: the study of history helps us understand the present by providing insights into the origins of current events, social structures, and cultural practices. By learning from past mistakes and successes, we can make informed decisions for the future and work towards building a better society. Additionally, history fosters critical thinking skills, empathy, and a sense of identity and belonging.